Rumhead at the bar.
Ramed. Aye. Wagwan cheers. Why me there drink a one beer? Why me I tell you say me there easy back. See if me get off some of this stress off of me, I drink one beer, yeah. Why me I tell you say the work has stress me. Me side chick them a stress me. Wifey there yeah that stress me. Me hand that stress. So let me ask a question. Why you not try drop off some of the side chick them and go home to your wife at evening time? Hmm? Don't you think that would be better for you? No, that not better for me at all. Wife a peer nagging in my ears. Peer nagging in my ears. It is not easy living with a nagging wife. But come to think of it, I know you a nag the wife. I know you a cause the wife to nag. I know you a give her pure talking. With your side chick them. If you did a go on easy yourself, your wife wouldn't be behaving that way. You need to do the things that is right. Go home to your wife after work. Well, I can't go to my wife after work. It's not easy as you think. Pitney them a make nice in the house at evening time. Wife a shout a call to them. I can't get no peace. I have to stop at the bar and catch myself a one beer and relax little first before me go home. Yes. Ah, boy. Bartender pass one more beer, they give me a year. Alright, sit here. And, put that on the bill there for me, 2 beer. Okay? I don't have any money for buy you any today. I'm not getting pay until Friday. Alright, take one for yourself. And put 3 on the bill. I mean, I want you to stack up my bill neither, because that's how no thief and stand. People order 2 something, wanna stack it up with all 5, 6. No what not do. Oh. Cause Tom drunk but Tom no fool. Okay? Alright. I'm my last one. This when me don't drink this, me I go. Alright. By the time I reach home, wife must there bed and pick me them there in bed. Tired of it with them now, man. Nice. Man can't get for relax.